Hi, alright, so today is Monday, April 1st. Happy April Fool's Day. Time is flying by over here. I've got about a month left until classes end, and then a couple weeks after that I graduate. So I just wanted to make an actually quick, because I'm recording this on my digital camera to get rid of that squeaky noise, hopefully, an actually quick update about my project. So today in the mail I received 2 more cameras. One is from France, I can tell, because it says France on it, so that's really exciting. And I'm not sure where this other one is from. I'm not going to say the names of the folks just in case. But I've also received, 4 other ones in the mail, which has been exciting. And those 4 are posted on my blog. I'll put the link below. Definitely take a look, and I'm going to hopefully make a sort of slideshow video of the project so far, but I just wanted to give my thoughts on it. As someone asked me if it was still fun or if it had become sort of tedious, like work. Well, it does take about an hour and a half for each participant who's sent in writings that go along with the pictures on the disposable camera. It takes about an hour and a half to scan those in, try and figure out which goes where and such, but other than that, there's no real feeling of I have to put in a certain amount of work for this. It's all just been fun. Every time I receive a camera, like today, I was like, oh, I gotta get the tripod, see if I can make this like new video shooting thing work out, blah blah blah. And then all of a sudden I check my mail and it's like 2 cameras, and it just fills me with such happiness. Plus it's, the cool thing about it that I was just telling one of the guys was it feels as if I know a bit more of their life, and I almost feel like when I go to develop the pictures and I get them back and I look at them, I feel like I was almost there for these events and what happened, and it's really cool in that sort of memory way, like when you develop one of your rolls of film and you're like, oh, I remember that soccer game and hanging out with my friends and such, and it's just been so much more wonderful than I originally thought it would be, and coming together aesthetically, it is going along much more beautiful than I even pictured it as. So that's a really, really good thing, because I thought it was going to be really, really aesthetically pleasing. But I think that overall, having the individual handwriting with the disposable cameras, it's accomplishing exactly what I hoped it would, and I'm really hoping to continue this project post-graduating. In fact, I'm 90% sure, 90%, it's a very trivial number, but I'm pretty positive that I will be continuing it. Because I want to get more perspectives and more folks. So in any case, I'm going to cut this video now, but definitely check out the website. As you can see, there's at least 2 more that are going to be posted coming up this week once I get them developed, hopefully Wednesday. And right now there's about 4 or 5 guys up there on the website. So I'll put the link, and yeah, I'll also put a link to a really great article. That's the other thing I got written about with this project, which is awesome. I had this great interview with a graduate student, and the article is so wonderful, so please check it out. She wrote beautifully about my project, and the interview is also very enlightening, so I'll attach that too. And this has been strange recording to my video camera, but I hope that it's more beautiful. And I'm gonna work on this, so yeah. Okay, anyway, project, awesome. Strange video, that's okay. But I hope everyone's doing well. Happy April. Can hardly believe it. Alright, take care people. Peace.